Welcome to our channel, the GSM Solution. This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone 11 touch screen not working issues. New model iPhone like 11 LCD was encrypted. If you change new one or original from other iPhone, you got an important LCD message. To fix this, you have to swap encrypted chip from old LCD to new one. If you disconnect flags too many times, the edge of the flags is torn and track is missing, cause touch screen failure. So be careful while disconnecting flags. In my cases, this problem happens. Here you can see the edge of the touch connector is broken. First, you have to find there is a problem on motherboard or only LCD. So let's check the aftermarket LCD. Works fine, no problem in motherboard. Means there is some issues on old LCD. Let's observe the old LCD. Here you can see the edge side is broken or smashed. On microscopic view, the track is going through this. Most of the case, this pin is broken. I made a jumper. Here you can see. On iPhone XR and 11 series, you have to alert while removing the LCD from connector. Simply mistake on the process makes flex broke down. That cause touch failure or LCD failure, so be careful. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Now check LCD works or not. Now touch working fine means the problem was fixed. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.